Night right before I go to sleep, I make sure my phone is still on silent, and then I turn it upside down because I don't want the light waking me up. One night right before I go to bed, I do just that and set my alarm and put the phone upside down. Now, it was probably about 10 o'clock when I went to sleep, and my phone made a sound at around 12 o'clock, and I was like, so weird, like maybe I'm dreaming. Tried to ignore it. A couple of seconds later, it starts ringing. I pick up the phone to see who is calling, and it's an unfamiliar number. I never answer the phone for unfamiliar numbers, but for some reason, I turned over and answered the phone, and there's this man on the other end of the line, and he says, "Is this Miss Cisco?" And I said, "Yes." He said, "I'm a police officer, and I'm here with your mom." And I was just like, "What's going on?" I can hear her crying on the other end of the line. He said, "First, I just want to let you know that your mom is okay, but she sustained some injuries rescuing a feline from a house fire." This time I'm out of the bed, I'm pulling my shoes on, finding my keys, and I'm out the door. Pull up, my mom is sitting there shivering, pouring down rain. She's traumatized, and she's holding a cat. I said, "Mama, what happened?" She said, "Well, I was just sleeping, and all of a sudden I started smelling smoke." She said, "I tried to ignore it a little bit, but then it just kept getting stronger." So she said she got up. She noticed that her kitchen area was on fire, and she needed to get out of the house. She has a cat, an indoor and outdoor cat. She thought the cat was outdoors. Well, she heard the cat meowing from indoors. And that is a story of how my mom became the crazy cat lady who risked her life to save her cat from a house fire.